Welcome, sweet friends. Today I'm sharing my Costco grocery haul with you. If you don't know who I am, my name is Pearl. I'm a wife and mom of 3, and I share videos on decluttering, organizing, routines, grocery hauls, recipes, and DIYs for the home to help you eliminate the overwhelm and live a more joyful life. I hope you'll consider subscribing for inspiration and motivation for the everyday. So I bought these Kirkland's uncooked and ground beef patties. These are frozen and they're £1/4 each. And so I thought I'd pick these up. We haven't ever tried them before. There's 24 inside. So I decided let's just try this out. Then we have some shrimp. Now these are 4 1-pound bags inside of this bag. I usually buy the shrimp from Walmart, and I believe it's like $10.99 for just one of these bags, or like 700 grams, something like that. So for double the price, you're getting more than double the amount of shrimp. And so I'm looking forward to making some breaded shrimp with this, and also grilling. And then again, and I think I mentioned this in another video, that we also put it in our fried up vegetables. So we'll fry beans, we'll fry squash, okra, spinach, and we'll put shrimp in it. And actually I do have a recipe for spinach and shrimp, and I will link that recipe down below if you're interested, and you can go down there and take a look. Okay, so I bought some Caracara oranges. I bought these blackberries, seal test milk, so just the normal price. And then Kirkland's medium cheddar. This was $12.99. Then Saputo provolone. These are the sliced cheese. I love putting this in grilled cheese. It comes out really good. This cheese becomes really stretchy, and I find this is kind of like a really nice stretchy cheese, and so my kids love this a lot. You can see here they just put it on top of different things here, so you can melt it over things, and it works out really well. Saputo Deluxe Pizza Mozzarella. This is the pizza mozzarella. Burn-bright egg. So I decided to buy the 18 pack because I think I mentioned in a previous haul that they raised the price for the eggs to $7.19 for 30. Yes, you only get 18, but I didn't want to spend $3 more, so I decided to just pick up one of these. Then I bought some Becel margarine. Now you might be wondering, why do we need so much margarine? I know I've showed in the hauls before that I do buy a lot of margarine. We just store it in the fridge, but what I like to do is I like to bake as well. I substitute butter for margarine a lot. I just find that it's easier, and I don't find there's that much difference in the taste. Okay, then I bought some wild pink salmon 6-pack. I think it was $16.99. And each can is 213 grams. Okay. Then I also picked up the 40-pack of Rougemont apple juice. They were $8.99 for the whole thing. This Kirkland's bath tissue. I know I bought some a few hauls ago. It is not done. We actually just opened it, I think. But I decided, you know what, let's just pick up one of these. So that'll be done with. We don't have to worry until maybe June. So I picked up also these chocolate keto minis, 85% dark chocolate. They're keto friendly, so it tells you how much sugar and carbs and fat on the bag. It's peanut free. It only has 3 ingredients. So it's made with cocoa, and then cocoa butter, and cane sugar. So just 3 ingredients, and you can see the bag is open because I did try one, and it's also organic. And I will put the total on the screen right now so that you can see how much the total of this bill was. If you enjoyed my hauls, please leave me a comment down below. It really helps me to know to make these. Some of you have commented that you've liked the haul in general, to keep making them, and so I will continue to make them for as long as you guys are interested in them. Thanks so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Be well on your journey to home sweet home.